Hi loves, welcome to this beautiful moment with me. Today, while I work on creating a custom press-on nail set, let's talk about something truly special. You. It's time to pause, take a deep breath, and embrace the journey of loving yourself, raising your energy, and feeling confident in your own skin. Loving yourself is not about being perfect. It's about accepting yourself as you are in this moment and giving yourself the kindness you so freely give to others. It starts with little acts of care, like how I'm carefully cleaning this nail one by one. You deserve this same care from yourself. Take a moment to ask yourself, what do I love about me? Maybe it's your smile, your strength, or the way you show up for others. Write it down. Repeat it to yourself. Let those words sink in because they're true. Every step you take in loving yourself is a step closer to inner peace and happiness. Sometimes life can feel heavy, and that's okay. But know this, you have the power to shift your energy. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine a light, warm and golden, radiating from your heart. Feel its warmth spreading throughout your body, filling you with peace and positivity. When you focus on what feels good, whether it's a small win, a favorite song, or the feeling of pampering yourself, it creates ripples of energy that transform your mood. This is how you start to feel happy again, from the inside. As I am putting on the base coat for these nails, I'm reminded that beauty is in the details. The same is true for your energy. Raising your vibration is about filling your life with things that light you up. Surround yourself with uplifting music, colors, and scents. Speak kind words to yourself, even when it feels hard. Gratitude is another way to raise your vibration. Think of 3 things you're grateful for right now, no matter how small. Happiness isn't something you chase, it's something you create. Confidence begins with accepting yourself. It's knowing that you are enough right now as you are. Just like this nail set isn't perfect until I finish. You are still a beautiful work in progress. Let go of the pressure to be something you're not. Celebrate your uniqueness, your quirks, your story. Confidence is a gift you give to yourself when you embrace your true self. You know, life isn't about being in a rush to reach the next step. It's about learning to enjoy where you are right now. Sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is to pause, take a deep breath, and simply be. So today, give yourself permission to slow down. Smile at the little things, like the way light shines through a window, or how your favorite scent lifts your mood. These small, sacred moments are where love for yourself begins. I hope this moment has been a gentle reminder that you are worthy of love, your own love. You are radiant, capable, and so deserving of joy. As I finish up this nail set, I want to leave you with this. You are a sacred beauty. Keep nurturing yourself, raising your energy, and embracing who you are. Thank you for sharing this time with me. Until next time, take care of yourself and remember, you are divine.